Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the stress management. In our life, we have to do different work. We have to go in the different places. We have to work with the different individuals. And the stress is with everyone. Here we talk about the stress. In the stress, hence Seyle, he discovered the stress. Dr. Seyle advanced the theory that stress play a role in every disease. As with so many wondrous discoveries of science and medicine, it was chance that Hans Seyle stumbled upon the idea of general adaptation syndrome. He came with this aspect that failure to cope up with or adapt to stressor can produce disease of adaptation including ulcers, high blood pressure and heart attack, etc. He first wrote about this in British Journal in summer 1936. The term stressor derived from the Latin word stringere, which means to clutch, compress or bend. How one's body react to the change can be called as stress. Here we find out the different stressors. Is it the admiration? Is it the terror? Is it the amusing aspect? Is it the grief? Is it the hatred? Dislike? Is it the anger? Is it the vigilance if someone is seeing a person is in the stress? So here the individual has to take this in consideration. Apart from this, happiness is also one of the stressors, as well as the sadness is the stressor, as well as scarcity. That the person is scared of certain issues, then the stressor is also playing a vital role. Here, madness to achieve certain target individual is associated with that areas how that you are associated with these aspects. When we talk about the causes of the stress, there are certain causes which we should keep in mind. Which are those causes? Whether, as I told, is it associated with the happiness? Is it associated with the scarcity? Is it associated with the sadness? Is it associated with the madness? Or when we talk about the causes of stress, which are associated with the work practices, how you are working in the organization, which type of relation do you have in the organization? Do you have the pressure to complete a particular task over there? Do you have the issues associated with the harassment or someone is bullying you? It may be associated with that. Whether it is associated with the management techniques, your compatibility with the management techniques is not there, then there is a problem. Environment and technology, which is also playing a vital role. If there is some change in the environment, if there is some change in the technology, then the stress will be there. Group causes, when you are part of the group, then how these are affecting the individual or the individual themselves. Then if you are not getting the proper support within your group, if your group members are not supporting you, then there will be the stress. When there is lack of cohesiveness, bonding, that if you don't have the bonding with each other, then the stress is there, that I will not be getting some support with my colleague, I will not getting my support with my friends, then the stress is there, as well as the conflict with the other persons. Is it the opinion conflict? It is the views of conflict. Which type of conflict you are heavy. We have to take in consideration those factors. Personal causes, the individual has to take in consideration whether it is the death of some near and dear, whether the issues associated with the health of family members, health of the individual, health of some personal friend, health of that it is associated with the crime. If some crime is going on, then the persons are scarce, and this scare is associated with the stress, as well as there is the changes in the physical aspect. We are growing, some stresses we are getting due to the increasing of the age, which are available in every individual. Arguments, we are getting the arguments with each other, then they may be the stressful. The money is the basic aspect, individual, that now in the pandemic situation everyone is aware about this issue, that how the money is playing a vital role in the personal, as a personal cause, the change in the environment, our social factors, cultural factors, as the climate changes are also increasing the stress. When the individual is associated with a different type of activities, then which are those activities that your responsibility, the person is married, the person is having the children, then the most stresses are coming in front of the individual. But when we talk about the causes, these personal causes, that there are certain aspects also that which are also associated with the fear, threat, uncertainties. These are associated with those aspects. If we take about the common external causes of the stress, the major life changes, that if there are some major life changes are there. An individual who is appointed in Delhi, then if he is transferred from Delhi to other area, then the situation is changing. The person working in Bundelkhand or some rural area transferred in abroad, changes in environment, life changes is also associated with that aspect. Your life cycle is also changing. The person is unmarried, after the married, having the children, that is also playing a vital role. External causes, the external causes which are changes, the family structure is also changing, work culture is also changing, relationship is also changing among the other persons, less trust is coming with the materialism, and we are going towards the materialism, that trust is less over there. The persons who are there, the busyness is over. The persons who are associated with that, the children's, what is the problem associated with the children, how they are associated with those problems, how they are able to manage that. The internal, the person is worried about it. A person is having the pessimism, the person is associated with that pessimism, that he is associated with that aspect. The negative, the emotional negative thinking, unrealistic expectations, the person is associated with those aspects, that you are able to achieve those objectives or not, then the problems are there. Rigid thinking, lack of flexibility, that is also playing a vital role. The person who is there, he is taking that in consideration, that how that the stress is associated with the different aspect. When we find out the stress in the different areas, that we find that the stress is not only associated with themselves, it is also associated with certain areas. That it is the model associated with the engineering model, where that it is associated with that the problem is associated with that he is able to cope up or not cope up with the changes occurring in the technical field. It is associated with that aspect. When we talk about the stress in the medical model, the medical model is associated with that focus on the psychological and the physiological aspect, which causes the stress over there. Large number of the symptoms such as depression, tension, the other problems, appetite, etc., that are causing in this area. Interactive model, that it is associated with, the individual is associated with this, that interaction between the environment and individual perception. It is associated with that aspect, that you are getting certain issues over there. And what are the symptoms of the stress? The individual has to see that the physical symptoms are there. That individual is having the headache, he is having the nervousness, having the rashes in the body, the problem in the stomach. When you are going for a presentation, when you are going for an exam, that we are having this type of stresses within ourselves. Fast heartbeat is also there, perspiration is also there, dry mouth is also there, cold hands are there, and the muscles are also tense over there. When we talk about the mental aspect, there is the less capacity of the mental aspect, lack of confidence over there, forgetfulness is there. Individual is forgetting certain issues over there, that he is having the habit of, or increasing the habit of the forgetfulness. Here it is associated with unable to do the study, concentrate on the study. That is also, the person is carelessness, that is associated with that. The stress, the individual is careless in those areas, that it is associated with those aspect over there. As well as the emotional aspect, the person is feeling bored, that if I am not working properly, I am feeling bored associated with a particular job or assignment, then I am feeling bored. Anger, the particular person is angry, outburst, that he is speaking loudly, that is associated with nightmares, that the individual is associated with that aspect. Sad, depressed, withdrawal of that fight or flight. Here in this, the person is going to flight from the problems, issues, then it is associated with that type of stress over there. There are two types of aspect over there, that eustress as well as distress. When we talk about the eustress, that eustress, which is a positive stress, accompanies the achievement and joy in the physical activity and managerial job. Here it is associated with the distress, is negative stress, and is accompanied by negative state like tension, helplessness, tension, headache, increased heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. Individual is working in the different area. The job, the particular person has to concentrate or has to face these type of activities in those areas. As well as what are the strain, what are the demands are there, what are the resources are available over there, where there is the low stress, where is more stress over there. The consequences of the stress, the individual is facing different consequences of the stress, which is the short-term physical symptoms, long-term physical symptoms, short-term performance effect, internal symptoms, behavioral symptoms. When we talk about those areas,